High humidity and constant heat are brutal on traditional wood kitchens. Moisture seeps into the core, causing wood to swell and outer laminates to peel. Kitchen renovations require thousands of dollars and are meant to last decades. When those materials fail early, you are watching a significant chunk of your home's equity warp and degrade. The most direct fix is to remove wood entirely. Fully aluminum cabinets use metal for both the inner carcass and the outer doors. Comparing wood to fully aluminum, aluminum achieves absolute immunity to moisture and termites. But this resistance brings two trade-offs: higher upfront cost and vulnerability to denting. A hard impact leaves a permanent mark, the main structural compromise you must accept. Once you accept that compromise, the market hits you with a wall of jargon. You'll see options from 3G all the way up to 8G, with wildly varying price tags. Selecting the wrong tier means you will overpay for aesthetic details you don't need, or shortchange the physical hardware your kitchen actually relies on. We start at the entry level with the 3G series. These cabinets use crystal and acrylic glass finishes. This gives you a highly glossy surface that easily resists surface scratches. However, to hold that glass in place, the 3G design relies on thick, visible aluminum frames around the edges of every door, ultimately resulting in a heavier, blockier look. To clean up those edges, the market introduced the 4G series. The 4G hides the metal border, offering a completely frameless glass appearance with concealed handles that blends cleanly into modern designs. But look at the schematic of a 4G door. The frameless glass design significantly increases the physical weight of the door itself. That bright arrow shows the constant heavy mechanical strain pulling down on the side hinges every time you open it. Sticking to these entry-level tiers forces a strict compromise. You either accept the dated, framed look of the 3G, or you take the sleeker 4G and risk accelerating the wear and tear on your cabinet hardware. For kitchens that see daily, heavy-duty cooking, the physical demands go up, which brings us to the 5G and 6G series. The 5G is essentially a reinforced iteration of the 4G. It keeps the hidden handles, but uses tougher materials to improve baseline resilience. But the major leap in cabinet physics happens when you step up to 6G. Instead of a solid or a typical glass-heavy construction, 6G cabinets are built around an internal metallic honeycomb grid. This cutaway reveals the core's operation. The geometric structure provides immense strength and deflects heat, drastically cutting door weight. This engineering pushes 6G to a higher price bracket. If you rarely cook, this internal structure yields zero practical return. The 6G series successfully eliminates the hinge strain of the lower tiers, but you need an active, high-heat kitchen to actually justify the purchase. Beyond the 6G, the market moves into the premium luxury space with the 7G Signature and 8G Fusion lines. The 7G series integrates advanced surface technologies, applying anti-fingerprint coatings and highly refined textured finishes. The 8G series focuses entirely on precision craftsmanship, utilizing an ultra-thin edge profile to create completely seamless, uninterrupted lines across the kitchen. Both tiers deliver pristine, architectural aesthetics. They are incredibly easy to wipe down and are built to look flawless in open-concept display kitchens. To get those finishes, you are paying top-tier premium pricing purely for visual and tactile refinement. Look at this bar chart comparing the top 3 tiers. While the cost spikes dramatically for the 7G and 8G, the structural durability and heat resistance remain exactly the same as the 6G. You are paying for the surface, not the core. These luxury tiers function as an aesthetic tax. They are ideal for high-end designer spaces, but offer no functional advantage for a standard kitchen upgrade. To avoid overspending, you need to map your exact cooking habits and budget directly to a specific material tier. This quadrant chart maps your options. The horizontal axis tracks your kitchen usage, from light prep to heavy wok cooking. The vertical axis measures your budget and demand for aesthetics. If you are cooking daily with high heat and heavy moisture, the 6G honeycomb belongs in the top right. Its lightweight, heat-resistant core is built exactly for that environment. If you want the durability of aluminum on a strict budget, look to the bottom left. The 4G series provides a clean, modern, frameless look without the massive price tag. For a pristine display kitchen where budget is secondary, the 7G and 8G sit in the bottom right. You get the anti-fingerprint coatings and ultra-thin profiles for a perfect visual finish. However, there are specific situations where you should skip aluminum altogether. If your kitchen sees a lot of heavy pots being banged around, fully aluminum cabinets are a highly effective way to protect your home's equity from humidity. But matching the correct G tier to your actual cooking habits is what determines whether that investment actually pays off.